You forgot my birthday again?
No, baby. I was just trying to make today special. How do I give him the world with nothing left?
Those shoes older than my grandma.
My mom's trying.
You sure about this?
For my son?
Every time.
Happy birthday, champ!
You did all this for me?
Okay guys, this is how to create animated short stories or movies. If you want to do animation, this is how you do it. We go to ChatGPT, we go in to get our script. So to get our script, we need to make a prompt for our dialogue and for our story outline. So this is what we do. So you can take a screenshot or you can copy my prompt. This is my prompt at the top, and then it's going to generate your story and it's going to give you a dialogue. And for you to have dialogue, guys, for your characters to speak, you need to clarify. AI needs you to be specific of what you need. So this is what it's generated for me. So we go down, then every time that you do your story generation prompt, you need to get your picture for all the scenes to make sure you get proper image reference. Okay, so you're going to ask ChatGPT to give you a picture for the first scene like this, and then you ask it for the second scene, then you ask it for the third scene, fourth scene, and so on. And then when you're done, you're going to save all these images which you're going to use on this AI tool. So this AI tool is called Google Labs, Google Flow. So you go into your browser, any browser, then you click search, then you type in Google Flow. So Google Flow is in Google Labs. You click on it, then you're going to have your interface of the Google Flow. So you need to sign in, guys. Anytime you come in here, if it's the first time you going to generate anything, you need to sign in. Then you click on create with flow. So you sign in, then you create your generation. You start by copying what you generated from ChatGPT. Okay, I already copied mine. So for now, what we're gonna do is we're going to generate one scene from what you just saw. So you need to click on the image, upload, click here, then you're going to get your picture, then you select your image reference, then it's going to upload. Then while it's uploading, here where it's written video, you can select whether you want to generate image or video. Then you have a ratio for social media, which is 9:16, or you can do it for landscape for YouTube, which is 16:9. So we're clicking 16:9, and we have other models of VO3, quality, fast, and light. So we're going to click fast because we need to make this quick. Okay. Then you go into paste your prompt from ChatGPT. This is scene 5. So here is the prompt, then it has dialogue. For you to get proper results, guys, you need to clarify also on this AI tool. You need to say where it's written dialogue. The mother is the one who's saying happy birthday, champ. So you need to put it in brackets and say female. Yes. Then you click generate.